Hello, I'm Zulexia, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of these crunchy edges or crunchy appearances that may appear in your imported images in ToonBoom Harmony. That I know of, there are two ways to access the setting to uncrunchify your pictures, doing from file when to import the image and once it's already been imported. So the first way is the file import image. Go to file, import, and images. From there, you choose which image you'd like to import. And then after that, you go down to this transparency. And mine is straight right now. This is the setting you want to set it to, is straight. Yours might say pre-multiplied with white. I believe that is what mine had as default when I first got ToonBoom Harmony. So change whatever this is to straight. Okay? To do it from when it's already imported, you double click on the little picture icon here and you'll get this pop-up window. From there, you go to drawing, and here's where you find the setting to change it, transparency type. So again, change it from whatever it is set on to straight. Now it might not look like it has done anything if you're viewing it in the window. However, you can tell if it's working if you click on the blue flower. So as you can see, you don't have any crunchy lines. However, if I was to set it to any other of these settings, you can see that some crunchy lines appear. If you look at the description of the blue flower, it's a mode to display the scene in the final output quality with all effects. So it should give you a preview of what your video will look like when it's exported. That is how you can make your videos from crunchy to uncrunchy. I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you for watching.